everyone. So my packages finally arrived and I ordered an iPad and a pen and I wanted to unbox it for you guys. So let's begin. Okay, so there's a little spot to, oh, okay, here it is. Ooh, oh man. Holy cow, that's extra.
Did mine come like that?
No, or maybe it, no it didn't. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Okay, I love this part. I love how they made it so easy to open now.
Mm-hmm.
And then how do you open this like majestically?
Oh, just pull it like, oh yeah.
Ooh.
Oh.
Right? Oh. Wow.
I see your face.
Oh, I see the camera, but look at it. It looks so clean. It looks so nice. Yeah, this part is where you charge it.
Oh.
So
Let's see your name.
Huh?
Your name engraved.
Oh, yeah. And then my name right here. They misspelled it. Just kidding. Oh, I'm so happy. It's so tiny and cute. I like it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then I don't know if this is really like interesting, but here are the instructions inside and the stickers, and then the charger, which is different now, and this beautiful circle.
It is a really pretty circle.
Right? Right? They always make it look so beautiful. Okay, now time to open the pen. Oh, okay, so.
You can do it.
Oh, like that. Nice.
It's like slightly turning.
I have to return it. Okay. Or if I wanted to open it here.
Wow.
I know. Okay. Ooh. Oh, it's on the side. Okay. Oh, I was like this. Nope. Oh, do I have to open it ugly? Oh, no, I don't. Okay, it's right here. Ooh. Oh, I thought that little dot had my name.
I thought so too. That's why I zoomed in.
I was like, my eyesight's so bad.
I'm seeing it through this lens, so it's kind of hard.
I'm just dang. And then, oh wow.
Let's see
and
your
then
name.
my name. Dang, it looks so nice.
Can't wait for you to use it.
Same. And then, ooh.
Oh wow.
One more time.
Ooh.
Now I need to buy a case, a screen protector, because this was so pricey. I saved up like a lot just to get this. So this is how it is, you guys. This is
There's like fingerprints. Try to erase that.
definitely I blame you. This is how it looks once it's been unboxed. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like these type of unboxing, me buying a lot of Apple products, no, that's not happening. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone!